Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Govee water detector with 100 decibel adjustable audio alarm. The listing on Amazon says sensitive leak and trip alert for kitchen, bathroom, basement, battery included. It's listed for around $12, has pretty good reviews. A lot of people are buying this thing. What's special here? I mean, it's not very expensive, it's a little bit more expensive than similar things, but it has a reason, and this can be connected to a lot of other things. This company is producing a lot of different water sensors, and they can be connected with some other receivers or central alarms, or even with some Wi-Fi things which then broadcast information to you on an app to your phone. This is really convenient, and it's really close to a normal price of like the price of a normal water leak detector. So it can be a huge advantage when you buy something like this. So this is like an open system, or almost like that. I have bought this thing about 1 or 2 years ago, like a door entry bell, and it has two sensors and one thing which is emitting an alarm when somebody is entering. I've never been using that, but I've learned that we can connect this thing also to this one here, and I'm not sure if you can use this to connect to the phone. Probably there's a newer one which you need to buy to connect to the phone. I think this is not available anymore, but I'm trying to use this, and then I try to connect to the central unit, and let's see if this works. So here's some user manual. Maybe there's some information about how to connect. Yeah, you can see that here, pairing with the gateway. That's what I'm going to try later on. I think it doesn't matter what kind of gateway it is from their company, as long as it's from their company. It's pretty small, has protection here, I think. Yeah, we can remove that. And here also regarding the battery, it's using 2 times 1.5 volts, but they don't say what kind of. But we see the model type, the H5054, and I'm just pulling this thing here, and you can hear, or you have heard, the alarm, and there was also a red light here. I think we can just put, yeah, okay, that was the test here, but I'm going to read the whole manual. What's good here, we have these feet here, which makes it really stable, solid, not scratching anything, but still the pins, I mean the sensors here, are coming down pretty close to the floor. I hope you can see that. So there's not much of a gap. It doesn't need a lot of water to make the alarm sounding. And I'm touching this here with wet hands. Let's see if there's something. Yeah, okay, I stopped this thing. That was a little bit loud, but you can hear that it definitely works. It has 2 sensors here, and obviously 2 sensors here, which is also good. Sometimes some of these pins corrode, or the water is just here or just here. I think the whole construction is really convincing, so I'm going to try to connect. Yeah, so when I read the instructions of this old device, of the receiver of this thing, it looks like there's a Wi-Fi pairing key and the normal pairing key, and they are talking about the app, so I decided to download and install the app. So we are already here. We didn't have to open an account or so. We can, I think we can just add a new device, and you can see what they have. They have a lot of things. I have to just find the water sensor here. I've been searching here in the search field for water, and it says water leak detector 5054. I'm not sure if it's this one here. Yeah, that's 5054. Okay, perfect. Let's click on that. But probably I have to, yeah, now I have to create an account. Okay, that was too early. So here we are, and of course I confirmed to save the password. Now let's log in, connect to the hotspot, starting. Okay, we are now, it says I have to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot, so they are creating a hotspot. Let's see if it's here. That's actually more the old style, how they are usually doing. I don't see that here now. Yeah, it's weird, I don't see that. Maybe they have upgraded or changed the settings. So let's go back here. Yeah, that's a bit weird, but it looks like I had it already connected some time ago, but not with this router, and now it looks like, I mean, when I went back to the main screen, it was connected, so I think the steady blue light is showing connections. But I have only connected these two motion sensors, so what I want to connect is, of course, the water leak detector. I have to press for 3 seconds here. Now it's flashing red and blue. I have to press the thing again. Yeah, you can see it was red. Now it's blue fast and steady blue again. And now let's try to refresh here to see if we get this additional sensor. Yeah, okay, it's here. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, do we have some settings here? Receive push, sound alarm, vibration alarm, user guide. Looks like we cannot set the audio alarm level. The only way to change the audio alarm is to push 2 times. So you basically have 3 different audio levels, like low, medium, high, and probably even mute. And when you double press, every time you double press, it cycles, and then you will get into next level, which will be confirmed then, and you will hear what it is. I press, double press again now. So you can hear it's on a low level. It's not mute, it's not on a high level, it's on a low level. I think it's acceptable. It's not bad here for my situation because I have the alarm anyway. And now let's check here. So I'm here, now let's trigger the alarm. Okay, you can see, I can stop this here, and you have been able to see how fast this thing is really reacting. That's crazy. And of course you have to do the right settings here, that you will get notification on your phone. So it's either then audio alarm or just vibration or whatever it is. But the transmission was super fast. That's a really cool thing, especially for somebody who is not at home all the time. You want to check a couple of things. Maybe you leave for a short vacation, business trip or so. You want to make sure that it's not leaking at different locations, especially maybe your AC and other locations. Yeah, really nice thing. And one thing I almost forgot, I wanted to show you the batteries which are needed. I removed these 4 screws. It took me almost 10 minutes to remove the screws just to show you the battery. That's insane. That's 2021. And then I could still not open the thing, so I put this screw here into the back, and finally I'm able to open this thing, and these are just normal batteries. Okay, yeah, it's better secured than Fort Knox. It's absolutely insane, but I wanted to confirm that these are normal batteries, pretty easy, cheap, and everything is working. So I'm super happy with it. I can give you full recommendation on that, maybe except from the battery compartment, but apart from that, I think everything is really good, really working. Looks like it's good company. They are taking care of their products. They are not just throwing anything on the market and then make a new one which is incompatible next year or so. I mean, I've been buying this a couple of years ago, and it still works with the latest device, latest receiver, latest everything, so that's really good. So I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.